Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and copy Roblox sound IDs in 2025. So whether it is a song ID, music ID or audio ID, this easy guide is going to help you add your favorite sounds into Roblox games. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on roblox.com. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here you will see this create button, so simply click on it. Then click on the option of store. Over here in the store you are going to see the third option of audio. So you need to simply click on this audio section and it is going to open all of the audios in front of you, like we have sound effects, vibes, genres, etc. You can also use the search bar in order to type the name of the song, effect or a music that you want. So this way Roblox is going to show you the list of audio uploads from the library. So you need to simply just click on the audio that you like and this is going to take you to the sounds detail page with the play button, uploader info and the description. So once you have this, you need to just simply take a look at the top of this particular audio. So on the top, you are going to see this type of URL. You can also see the link roblox.com/library. After that, you are going to see this type of ID right next to it. So this is the ID of the music. So you can copy this number and paste it wherever Roblox asks for a sound or a music ID, like in a boombox or a game script, and when adding your music to your own game. So this way you are going to find the audio or the sound ID in Roblox. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.